All right, there's our intro coming in. Let's wait for it. All right, we want to go to our accessibility button and click on the control center. Oh no, record is not there. No worries. We'll go ahead and go back to settings. We'll go ahead and find control center. Find it. It's right there in front of us. All we got to do is find it and click on it. Come on. Find it. There it is. Cool. All right. Now let's scroll down until we see record screen. There it is. Click on it. Shows up in the control center. Go ahead and go to the control center. There it is. Click on that. Long click. And, well, we can turn the microphone on, but I'll turn it off for this. And click on start recording, not screen recording. Yeah, start recording. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 'Tis recording. Let's go ahead and go to our home screen. Double click on our home. Sweep that out. Well, as long as we're here, let's go ahead and actually record something. Yeah, let's do maps just for an example. Yeah, example. Okay, let's go back to the home screen. Double click home. Sweep that out of there. That little red dot up there, click on that. Now we can stop it. And that's all there is to it, folks.